Let me ask you something. Do you respect yourself? Not in a fake way. Not the "I'm fine" you tell people. Not the confidence you pretend to have online. I'm talking about self-respect. Real, deep, internal respect. The kind of respect that makes you look in the mirror and feel proud of the man staring back. Do you feel that? Or does it feel like something is missing? Because most men today don't respect themselves anymore. They don't trust themselves. They don't believe in themselves. They don't even like themselves. And deep down, they know it. Let's talk about why. You don't respect yourself because you keep breaking promises to yourself. You say you'll wake up early. You don't. You say you'll stop scrolling. You don't. You say you'll start that project. You don't. You say you'll stop fapping. You don't. You say you'll change your life. But you don't. Every time you lie to yourself, you lose a piece of self-respect. Every broken promise is a cut to your identity. You want to know why you feel weak? Why you feel lost? Why you feel empty? Why you feel like you're not the man you're supposed to be? Because deep down, you know you can't rely on yourself. But that's not the only reason. You don't respect yourself because you let your impulses control you. You let boredom control you. You let fear control you. You let cravings control you. You let instant gratification control you. You run to distractions instead of running toward your goals. You chase dopamine instead of chasing purpose. And every time you do that, you tell your mind one thing: I'm not in control. And a man who is not in control cannot respect himself. But there's another reason, a deeper one, a painful one. You don't respect yourself because you compare yourself to everyone else. You see people your age doing better. You see them winning, leveling up, moving ahead. And you feel small. You feel invisible. You feel like a failure. You judge yourself by other people's timelines. And you lose respect for your own journey. But here's the truth. Self-respect has nothing to do with achievements. It has everything to do with alignment. A man respects himself when his actions match his values. A man respects himself when he moves with intention. A man respects himself when he chooses discipline over comfort. A man respects himself when he stands for something, even when no one is watching. You've lost your self-respect because you stopped being the man you said you wanted to be. You betrayed the vision you once had for yourself. The stronger you, the focused you, the disciplined you, the unstoppable you. He's inside you, but he's suffocating under your bad habits, your procrastination, your addictions, your excuses. But I want you to hear this clearly. You can get him back. Self-respect isn't built by success. It's built by small wins, small battles, small decisions. Waking up when you said you would. Going to the gym even when you don't feel like it. Doing the hard task even when it's boring. Saying no to the urge. Keeping the promise. Finishing what you start. Every time you choose the harder path, you earn back a piece of your self-respect. And eventually, you rebuild the entire foundation. Let me tell you something powerful. Respect is not something you wait for. It's something you build. No one is coming to hand it to you. No one is coming to fix you. No one is coming to save you. It's on you. If you want to respect yourself again, stop doing the things that make you hate yourself. Stop destroying your confidence with your own actions. Stop choosing comfort over character. Become reliable again. Become disciplined again. Become someone you would admire. Become someone you would follow. Become someone you would be proud of. Because the truth is simple. You don't need the world's respect. You need your own. Once you gain that, you become unstoppable. So ask yourself this. What is one promise you can keep today? What is one action you can take that pulls you closer to the man you want to become? Do it. Win that small battle. Earn that small piece of respect. Because the moment you do, the man you lost starts to return. And once he comes back, there is no going back.